Can you describe what you see?
So you memorized IKEA Catalogue in just a matter of days.
Hello, hello, how are you?
There's a girl with no front teeth.
Is she on 254 and she's cooking?
Describe the room. Page 16, 17.
On the Hemnes bookcase, on the top, there's like a trumpet, then a little sculpture in bluish.
Amazing.
I think you know the catalog better than I do. You should take my job.
We are right here at the Facebook Live studios with Kienja. How many people are there on page 80 and 81 combined in this catalog?
Okay, so I see brother and sister, and there's a mom in the kitchen on page 80 in the background, reaching for a balloon whisk, I think.
Now, I don't know if you ever forget where you've left your keys.
But my next guest,
doesn't have that problem.
Yanja.
Yenja, went viral after
She's memorized
All 328 pages.
the entire IKEA catalog.